Hello everyone, my name is Neha Danavle from Recent Dana Institute and I am going to share this technical video on the respiratory system. About 11 systems present in our body, respiratory system also plays an important role to exchange of gases. In respiratory system, mainly the exchange of gases takes place uh, in which the oxygen is inhaled in our body and the carbon dioxide is exhaled from the body, which is carried through the cells, carried through the cell. Then when we there this respiratory system is mainly divided into two types. First one is upper respiratory tract and lower second is lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract mainly consists of mouth cavity, nasal cavity, larynx, sinus and pharynx. Then lower respiratory tract mainly consists of lungs, then diaphragm, then then trachea, then bronchi and bronchioles and alveoli and capillary are also present in lower respiratory tract. Uh, when the blood carry mainly the blood is deoxygenated, which carries the carbon dioxide, and for the excretion of that carbon dioxide, which is a waste product, uh, this respiration uh, this respiration system and circulation system works works was combinedly for that exchange, in which the when blood with the help of pulmonary artery goes to the lungs for the for filtration, in which with the help of diffusion process the oxygen is carried into blood and carbon dioxide is carried by the alveoli for the breath out of that carbon dioxide when and this process is carried out with the help of diffusion process. Then when we exhale oxygen from the environment, the oxygen is not pure, or it contains some bacteria, pathogens or pollutant materials. When we inhale through the nasal cavity, there are some hair-like projection present in our nasal cavity that also consists of mucus, and that traps the pollutant from the environment and helps to inhale the oxygen. Again, in our respiratory tract, there is also hair-like projection, which is cilia present, uh, brush-like cilia present, which helps to grab, which also secrete the mucus that grabs the pathogens or the bacteria from that from the inhaled oxygen. Then when we then also this oxygen is carried through the respiratory tract to the alveoli, where the exchange of gases takes place. Mainly when the oxygen is or the oxygen is carried to this cell or the tissue, this process is known as external respiration. And uh, when we exhale the outer oxygen to the in, when we exhale the outer oxygen inhale through the respiratory system, then this process is called as internal respiration. Mainly there are a number of respiratory diseases are present, in which the asthma is the main disease or the leading disease due to the some genetic factor also, and also the pollutants present in the environment. In asthma, the breathlessness or the shortness of breath occurs because of the narrowing 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 the respiratory tract, and there is also pneumonia. In pneumonia, alveoli, the excess of mucus is secret, and mucus is secret or the pus is present, that leads to the pneumonia. Or also bronchitis means inflammation of bronchi. Then there is also cancer also, there is also bronchial cancer. It is also genetic, or some smoking like factors also leads to the cancer condition. Then there is also uh, then there is also the pharyngitis, in which the inflammation of throat is occur. Then there is also um, then there is a COPD. In COPD, mainly the coronary coronary uh, obstructive pulmonary disease, in which the because of some inhalational pollutant leads to the leads to leads to difficulty in breathing, and the COPD is occur because of some pollutants. That's all. Thank you.